Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Everton Braga from Cura Web channel and welcome to another class of our React course. In this class, we're gonna start to style our header component. So let's get started. First of all, I up my server by typing the commands yarn start or npm run start. Uh, Command is you already know. And then we will install dependency. Okay, it's a dependency that we use for in order to style our component. So let's do that. Just type here yarn add styled components or npm run styled components. I have it installed on my project, so I didn't execute again. And that's it. Let me close it and just open this file, styles, inside the header folder, and let's start to style our project. Our project have this style at the moment. We we will make some changes here, but just to know about this new library, okay? The focus here is not to give you in-depth knowledge about CSS. My main goal here is to introduce to you the library styled components and how we use JavaScript in CSS, okay, and things like that. So I will start to type some CSS code here, but maybe I don't explain in details each thing I'm doing, okay? Because I want to introduce to you the way of this way of style, okay? Using JS. So let's go. Here, import styled from styled components, and then export const container styled div. Notice that we are using here syntax, JavaScript syntax, okay? So it's a little different, a little weird at the first moment, but don't you worry. If you style some HTML page once in your life, you get it very easily. So let's get started. Uh, Let me put this file here. Close. Okay. Uh, Saving. I will import here in my index.js the container, this container, okay, from styles. I will import it here, container from styles, okay. Notice that container is equivalent to div. So if I call container here, if I call here container instead of div, that's the same thing. Container is actually a div, okay? So that's it. And let's start to make a test. Here we have our project. Here, let me change the background, for example. Background blue. Okay, and I return here. My background gets blue. Got blue. Okay. Uh, that's it. Using JavaScript, we have a way to style our components. So as I don't have the intention in teach CSS so much here, I will copy my code and paste here. I just copy from my GitHub and paste here, and you can do the same thing. Just access my GitHub on the description and get this code, copy and paste in your code too. Okay, and don't you worry, man, because it's a React course. Our intention here is to present some concepts like here in this JS file we have a feature of indentation. Okay, so header here, inside header we have images. Okay, here we have our images. Inside header we have a button. So here inside header we have a button too, and that's it. uh, I don't have too much more to explain, and it's a very good way to style, and we have props too. We have a very good interaction with logic and JavaScript. That's so good. I love use this library. Okay, so guys, that's it for today. I hope you like. If you like, just put the like in the video, and subscribe the channel, share it with your friends. Thank you so much to watch. I hope you I hope this lesson will be valuable to you, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.